Assalamualaikum, morning guys. Ini aku buatin resep obat ampuh batuk aku, yaitu jeruk nipis air hangat. Selamat menyaksikan.
It's been a long day without you. I want you to be by my side.